So let's move on to class. So last class we stopped somewhere, right? AWS. What are the service completed? AWS, or you forgot everything? Or Sharat? Hello. What are the service as of now we cover in AWS? Anyone? Already know, right? EC2 done, right? Clear. VPC,
Yes, sir.
VPC also done. VPC means all subnet, next IGW, Internet Gateway, party, route table. So these and all are same. Next NAT gateway, security group, security group also done. Next what else? IAM, this is also done, right? S3, S3 bucket. This is also done. Anyone any doubt here? I hope these all are completed, right? EC2, VPC, security group, IAM, S3 bucket. Anything missing?
Yes, that's it.
That's it. Okay. So today we'll see that continuation. Today we'll see that continuation. I hope everyone know how to create EC2 and how to create security group. If you go to log into AWS cloud. Okay. So now if you want to create any instance, already we covered it. Just we'll create one. Click on instance, launch instance, or if you want to VPC. So we'll see any VPC available. Already we created few things, right? Mm. So click on VPC. Already DevOps VPC, DevOps VPC, subnets, and public subnet. There is private subnet also available, and so route table. There is route table also available. Internet gateway also available. So this all already we created. Now today we'll see very important. So load balancing. So what is load balancing? How it will work? Simply we are calling ALB. So very interval also. First they are asking what is so elastic ELB. Elastic ELB. So this is the elastic load balancer. That is ELB means elastic load balancer. Simply if you want to understand, distribute incoming request traffic to multiple target or virtual instances. Real time, every project, every project. So they are maintaining so ELB, elastic load balancing. So without so they are not maintaining ELB, elastic load balancing. So just already we know, right, something, right? So already I hope this and all we discussed. Suppose if we send any request, for example, this is my local machine, right? So this is my browser. I am in my laptop. This is my local, right, in front of laptop. I browser, I am the user. I am the user. In browser, I send some request. So how it will go? If I send any request, if I send any request, so I am the, so just assume, so I am the end user. So I am the end user. I send one request. I am the end user. I send one request. So if you send any request, if you send any request, so the request go to browser only, right? We are sending the request and all browser only, right? Or else. So if we send any request, so the first request go to where we are sending request usually. Generally, if you want to send any request, మన ఎక్కడ టైప్ చేస్తాం? Only browser only, right? Clear? if you send any request, so where you are going to send, I am sending browser only. I am sending browser. So I am sending browser. Okay. So if you send any request, so the request go to whom? Anyone? So this is the internal hierarchy. Intervals one. It will go to local DNS. It will go to local DNS. So from local DNS, already I think previous class I explained. From local DNS, it will go to root name server. Root name server. It will go to root name server. So root name server means here we are sending, for example, .com, dot, uh, dot org, dot. These are the dot org. Next, we are typing many ways, right? Dot in. We are sending some URL. So from it will find the which one it will find top level domain. Which domain you enter. Now this is the internet, right? Now from internet, it will go to. This is the hierarchy. Okay, anyway, later we'll see how it will work, what is name server and all, and so how it will work. This is finally it will find the SOA, start of authority. So from start of authority, once we are getting, and it has find the, so start of authority is nothing but here we are getting your server IP. That's it. Simply if you want to IP address, finally what it will find. So your whatever we are sending in browser, finally it is getting that server IP only, that server only IP only. So just come to our, so what is ELB, elastic load balancer, how it will work. So simply if you want to understand, if you want to distribute your incoming request to multiple servers, this is one server, right? I am the end user, correct? So in between, here we are going to configure, here we are going to configure ELB. So now just assume here I have one server. So this is my one application, same application only, application is same only, and here I am going to configure my ELB, elastic load balancer. This is the ELB. So here maybe your request comes from HTTP or HTTPS, HTTP or HTTPS. If you send any, if you type in Google, mostly here we can observe two ways your request goes, right? For example, here I am giving any, for example, IRTC, anything. Okay, IRTC. So if you click on this, now see here, your request it will go to somewhere. Maybe it will go to request HTTP or HTTPS, whatever it may be. So mostly it will come here HTTPS. Any website, not only IRTC. If you type any banking, any website, so mostly request from HTTP or HTTPS. HTTPS means this is secured way. We'll see later. For example, HDFC, any URL. If you type any URL, now here also we can understand. So how request, even Flipkart, right? So the Flipkart URL, what is they are maintaining HTTPS only, secure way only. The request will go HTTP or HTTPS. So now just assume, so I have an application. This is a Flipkart application. Just assume last class also. Now I am the end user, right? So I am the end user. So this end user send one request. So this end user send one request. Now we have two servers. Now we have two servers. Which server it will go to your request? What is ELB? Simply try to understand what is ELB. So distribute
Almost.
your incoming traffic to multiple target machines based on your load, based on your load. So my request, maybe your request go to this server. I am not saying 100% request go to same server. So dynamically it will distribute your incoming request to also this server, but all server same application, same configuration it is running. Otherwise how it will work? So first time my request go to this server. This is Flipkart people, they are maintaining, just assume these are the Flipkart people, they are maintaining. So application they deployed the server. This is the one server. This is the one server. Okay, just a application server for your understanding purpose. I am giving this is one server. This is also same server. but both server application is same or different? At least guess it. In both, these are two different
Same.
server, right? So Flipkart people, they deployed their application, correct? Flipkart people, they deployed their application. So in both server, in both machines, same application is running or different application is running?
Same
Same
application.
application, right? This is common. So this is the basic question. If you type Flipkart means, maybe your request go to one server. I'm getting this page. For example, this mission, if different application means we are not getting same application, right? For based on load, I want to distribute my incoming request to multiple. So I want to distribute my incoming request to multiple servers. So that case we should go for. So this is the ELB, Elastic Load Balancer. And so these are the official website. If you want to know anything more, so we can click on this, how it will work. EC2 instance feature. Where is this? ELB. ELB. This is the Elastic Load Balancer. Now see here, distribute network traffic to improve the application scalability. I don't want downtime. So every time I want to maintain our application stable. There is no delay. If you maintain only one server, if so incoming request increase, so usually this server can handle only, right? There is so that them count of request, right? Maybe 10,000, 20,000, 50,000. So if a request comes more than 50,000, this server cannot handle. So automatically I want to distribute my incoming request to another server. So I want to maintain, see here, scalability. Applications can improve the application scalability. So if you click on see here, these are the benefits: security, automated scaling, and monitoring in. So what are the how it will work? Automatically distributes incoming application traffic across multiple target or virtual machines. This is the very important. Just remember only one line. So distribute incoming application traffic across multiple target missions. So this is one mission. Suppose if we have one more mission, that's the same only. So whatever you want, we can maintain. That is your wish. How many missions? That is under your wish. So dynamically you request to go. Your dynamically you request distribute to all servers. So maybe this it will go your request this server, or maybe it will go to this server. But all servers, your application is same only, same configuration, same setup. Only your incoming request, application incoming request, we are going to distribute multiple target. This is the one mission, this is one target, this is one target, this is one target, this is one target. I hope clear, guys. Anyone any doubt here? You got some idea, right? Clear? Yes or no? Now use cases, see here how it will come, customer how they are going. Now if we click on here, if we click on here, and so how get started. So these are the, if you want to know, there is types of load balancer also. Okay. Now go to here, so here, right? Now if you go here, click on here dashboard, click on dashboard. Now if you go down left side, we can see load balancing. Okay. Now how it will work, so we'll see practically. Now if you click on load balancing, now, right now I don't have anything. Configuration is very simple, but we need to understand. See here, zero load balancer selected. Selected load balancer zero. If we click on load balancer, now this is one more very important question. So, what are the types of load balancers in AWS? So, see here, these are the types. So, application load balancing, network load balancer, application load balancer, network load balancer, gateway load balancer, and this is the classic load balancer. These are the types, guys. So these are the one more important question. So types of load balancer: application load balancer, network load balancer, gateway load balancer, and classic load balancer. But real time, 90% we are using application load balancer mostly. Mostly we are using which one? Application load balancer. Now what is this and all we will see later. First for time being application load balancer. See here, choose an application load balancer when you need to flexible feature set for application HTTP traffic. My all application, if you observe here, every application the request go to which protocol? Which one? If you type anything, so mostly, so we are seeing which one? HTTPS or HTTP only, right? అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes.
ఎందుకు 90% దీనే యూస్ చేస్తాం? ఇఫ్ యూ డిప్లాయిడ్ ఎనీ అప్లికేషన్, ఇఫ్ యూ యాక్సెస్ ఎనీ అప్లికేషన్, సో మోస్ట్లీ యువర్ రిక్వెస్ట్ గో టు సి హియర్ హెచ్టిపిఎస్. నౌ సి హియర్ హెచ్టిపిఎస్ ఎనీథింగ్. Now see here, what is this? HTTPS. Now that is the reason real time, sorry, mostly we are using this one only. See, choose an application load balancer when you need to flexible feature the application with HTTP and HTTPS traffic. If your application, okay, so HTTP and HTTP traffic and operating system at request layer, application load balancer provide advanced routing and visibility features. So if you want to configure, so now this is also we can use choose the network load balancer when you need ultra high performance TLS transmission layer offloading at scale, and it will support UDP, TCP. So that case we go for so network load balancer. This is a gateway load balancer. It will support some extra load balancer when you need deploy and manage a fleet of third party virtual machines and all. We go for this one. Classic load balancer. When you have existing application running the EC2 classic network. So that case we go for this CL. But compared to these four, which is the high priority? Which is the high priority? See, it will support TCP transmission protocol, UDP, and TLS, and it will go to this way. If you want to support all TCP, SSL certification and all, so that case we go for a classic load balancer. First, we'll see what is application load balancer, how it will work. Now, so just click and create. That's it. If we click on create, now see here the application load balancer distribute incoming HTTP and HTTP traffic across multiple targets such as EC2 instances or microservices or containers. You know Docker also, right? If you want to, you can use Docker also based on your request attributes. When the load balancer request, how it will work. Now these are same concept only. So now basic configuration. Load balancer name, we can give any name. Okay. Dev apps, dev apps, ELB, elastic load balancer, elastic ELB. Okay. So the minimum this and all same only. Next, this see here schema internet facing or internal. So internet facing load balancer routes request from client over the internet to target machine. So leave as it is same. Now load balancer IP address. What type of IP address you are going to use? So I am using IP4 only. Leave it. Now these are the VPC. You know, right? These all are VPC and all. If you have your own VPC, select your VPC. See here, select your VPC, and so select your security group, and so these are the listeners and all. That's it. Very simple only. And before that, we need missions, right? I am going to load balancer, okay. But what about your servers? Do we have any servers right now? I am going to create a ELB. Okay. If you want to configure ELB, first what you need? Anyone? మనకి ఏముండాలి? ఫస్ట్ అప్లికేషన్ సర్వర్స్ ఉండాలి కదా, ఇన్స్టెన్స్ ఉండాలి కదా, EC2. Do we have any instances here right now? Now see here, do we have any instances? I don't have any instances. See here, I don't have anything. same configuration I'm going to do. I'm going to create two instances, and two instances I'm going to deploy one application. That is whatever it may be. That is your wish. Okay. Now click on launch instance. Click on launch instance, and so instance name. So I hope so there is many servers we can going to configure. So right now you know, right, how to deploy your Java web application, and how to configure Jenkins and all, you know, right? Jenkins and all. What is the port number Jenkins server?
8080.
8080. Now, so Jenkins server. Here I am going to configure. There is two more simple servers, HTTP servers available. I am going to deploy anyone. So that is your wish. We can use HTTP D or NGNX, NG,
INX.
NGINX,
NGINX.
NGINX server. So, but these two servers running which port number?
8.
80. These two are running 80. We can use anyone. Just only practice purpose, right? Very simple. I hope you know Tomcat also, right? What is the Tomcat server port number?
8080.
8080. Same way, every server they have one port number, unique port number. There is no conflict in real time. Now, so I'm going to configure NGNX. Already, I hope I will share this document. You will follow same document. So for your practice purpose, this is very easy. Okay. I hope already I shared. So in this document, we can also parallelly create. Where is NGNX target? Auto scaling. Where is ELB? Load balancer. Okay. So same story. I am going to create three instances: web servers, application servers, DB server, whatever you want. Okay. Now anyway, I am going to install which one they are using, HTTPD, or we can use Nginx server. Both are same only. That is your wish, guys. So anyway, I am going to use HTTPD server. This is also one server, web server. We can use it. Now, so at least how many servers we need if you want to configure ELB? Just think how many servers at least. One is enough, or two is enough, or four is enough. I want to distribute my incoming request. I want to distribute my application incoming request to multiple target host, right? So if you want to configure, at least how many servers we need? Only one is enough. Only one is enough.
Two, sir.
ఇప్పుడు ఓన్లీ ఒక సర్వర్ ఉంది అనుకో, ఇఫ్ యూ సెండ్ ఎనీ రిక్వెస్ట్, యువర్ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఆల్వేస్ గో టు దిస్ సర్వర్ ఓన్లీ. There is no use case, right? I hope got it right. Clear? Anyone any doubt? What Sharath? Clear? Suppose if we have only one server, always my request go to always my request go to that particular server only. There is no use case, right? అర్థమవుతుందా? What Chandrasekhar? Got it?
Yes,
Now
sir.
go to here. At least we need minimum two servers. Now go to here, and so which one we can go? HTTP or so Nginx server? Both are same only. Both are same only. Whatever you want, we can install. Anyway, I am using this one, HTTPD, and later we'll see that one. Both are same only. And you know, right, what is yum install HTTPD? How to install? Anyone any doubt this command? Yum install HTTPD. What is yum command? If you want to install any package, and what is the systemctl? Already Jenkins, you know, right? Clear? Yes or no? These commands, at least yum command, systemctl. Okay. Now go to here. Right. Now give one HTTPD, HTTPD hyphen server. How many instance you need? First I am giving two. One is not enough, right? Two I need. Now this is the image. Which one you want? Linux or Ubuntu or Mac OS or Linux only? Now go to here. This is free tier enough for me. And so description okay. What is this? Free tier. Okay. Next type. T2 micro enough for me. Okay. Now this is a key pair. I need key pair, right? So which key pair in my mission? I need to check it. Already I created, right? PM file. Mm, mm. Mumbai key. This one. I don't know. List. Sort by. View by. List. And also view by. Sort by. View details. Uh, so last time mine 12. Okay, I think this one, right? Public key, dev apps key. I think it will work, or else we'll create new key. If you have any doubt, I'm going to create new key. Create new key. I'm giving. We can give any name. Okay, PM file. That's it. Create. Now network. So if you have edit, if you have your own VPC, select your VPC, and if you have your own subnet, so select subnet. This and all, or else we can leave it blank also. So by default it will select. I am creating public subnet and IP address. So auto public IC address enable I am using, and security group. If we have existing security group, we can select. So I don't have create security group. STPD. Okay. Hyphen security group. Same only. Already know. What are the port numbers you need to allow? Okay, later we'll see. Anyway, it will connect, right? I will add it. 8 GB enough for me. Launch instance. That's it. I will show you. So we are unable to connect, right? So that time I will add my port number. Now click on instances, refresh. Okay. Now I'm changing edit. This is the HTTPD server one, and okay. This name I'm done, or just I'm changing HTTP to server. That's it. Now my machine is running. So my two machines ready. Okay. Now this is okay and this is okay. So now I need to install the HTTPD server application. I am going to configure one server, both server. There is different ways we can do. Why you don't know, right? That is the reason for manually I am going to do how it will work. Or else we can use user data, or while creating instance also I can copy and paste it. This is only 1 minute setup. I will do manually. We can understand how it will work. But both missions we are going to do same setup. Okay. Before that, let me copy my PM file. Where is my PM file? Go to here, download, go to download, copy this my PM file, keep somewhere. So I'm keeping here. Okay, paste it. That's it. Now connect one mission, anyone, that is your wish. So I'm connecting first mission. Click on this, click on connect, and go to SSH client. Copy this one. And how we are connecting, guys? Go to go to path. Here my PM files available. Open git bash. Okay, paste it. Okay, yes. Now control plus plus. Now, so now here I don't have any. Here I don't have any software, right? I'm going to install HTTPD server. So this is the just copy same everything, or whatever you want we can do it. Okay, one by one line also we can execute it. So how to install any package? Yum install sudo yum install. What is the server name? HTTPD. This is the server name, guys. This is the our package name, and -y, or else copy one by one also. That is your wish. Or else we can copy all lines also. Anyway, I understand. Okay. Now see here, server is installed. Now how to check this server is running or not? How we are checking Jenkins server is running or not?
System
Sudo
status.
system sys systemctl mm,
Status.
status.
HTTP.
Here earlier we are giving Jenkins, right? Here HTTPD. That's it. Very simple only. Now it is inactive. And how to start this server? Jenkins server, how we are start? Sudo systemctl
Systems.
start
Start. HTTP.
HTTPD. That's it. Now check this up arrow. Now check the status. It is running. And how to access Jenkins server? మీరు Jenkins server ఎలా యాక్సెస్ చేస్తారా? Go to browser, go to browser, localhost or IP address, right? This is not my local, this is IP. So what is my IP of this mission? Go to here, instances, this one. Copy public IP and go to here and paste it. And what is the port number? This server port number
80.
default 80. Even if you are not passing, it will work. But anyway, we are not getting this page. Anyone guess it? Why I am not getting this home page? We need to allow
Port number
port
not
number.
published.
So how to allow port number? So go to security group, go to security group. So I created one security group. What is the security group? HTTPD. Where is that? Hmm? What is my security group name?
Fourth one.
Fourth one. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one. Click on this. Go to inbound rules. Edit. Now see here. As of now, allowed only 22. That is the reason I am able to connect my instance. Now my server is running which port number? 80 port number. We need to allow 80. So how to allow? Go to here, click on add rule and select which one? Which one I need to select? HTTP or HTTPS?
HTTP.
HTTP. Where is HTTP? HTTP. Type H. This one. Okay. HTTP. See here at 0. So anywhere custom and type 00. Okay. Save it. Now go to here. Just refresh it. Now see here. This is actually one application, web application, and they given so it works. It works. I am going to change content now. So interview also they asked this. So what is the HTTPD default server installation path? I installed, right, HTTPD. If you install Jenkins server, what is the Jenkins installation path?
Valid
You know,
Jenkins.
right? So lib, where lib Jenkins, right? Correct? Yes or no? Same way. So now I install HTTPD server. So here also there is one path, cd space. So this is the default path, guys. So this is the variable html. So how we are using so variable lib Jenkins same way. This is the path variable here variable not lib it's ww. We need to go that path cd space where and ww. Where, right? What I'm in here ls. So we need to I am in here, right? We need to go to one step back, root user, right? That variables and all available here, correct? Ls here. Now here there is variable. Now see here I am in root path pwd. Now see here I am in root path. Now go to cd space var. Next where is ww? Cd space ww and ls. And now see here cd space html. This is the html. Now ls there is a one file. Do we have any file here? No, right? I am going to create one file. How to create a file? Linux command sudo vi index.html. Okay, just insert. I am giving some content. Welcome to httpd http which server this is. If you want to, we can give server 1, right? I am giving httpd server, just assume 1. This is the server 1. Okay, whatever you want, remaining your store, that is your wish. Okay, so now how to save, guys? Escape colon x. Now cat space index.html, that's it. Now go to here. I modified something, right? Check it whether it is working or not. See here, welcome to httpd server 1, httpd server 1. So because here I am going to configure two servers, right? My request go to which server? I have confusion, right? So now for this server, just assume this is the server 1, this is server 2. Now same way I am going to do same 3 steps in server 2 also. Okay, this is manual process for your understanding purpose only. Or else simply I can copy and paste it, one line, one setup, that's it. Now click on this and go to connect. So copy this and go to same setup I am going to do here also. Right click, open git bash. If you know, this is 2 minutes only, 2 minutes work. Okay, don't confuse here. So paste it. If you don't know, it will take time, but if you know everything, this is very simple only. So again, mm, what is the first step? Just only this step. So this one, control paste it. Okay, install it. Once installation is done, now simply start the service. Sudo systemctl and start httpd. Now check the status. Only these 3 commands enough. Status. See here, it is running. Now if you go here, what is this IP of this machine? Go to this instance and copy public IP. Now I'm getting default content. Correct? Running only, right? Which one? This is first one, second. Control C. Public IP. So what is this public IP?
Colon 80.
This is second, right? So copy public IP and go to here, paste it. Working, right? How to change the content? What is the path? cd slash variable slash ww slash
Stone.
html slash. I'm going to this path pwd and so sudo vi same index dx.html. So insert welcome to httpd server 2. Just for your understanding purpose, I am giving a server 2. That's it. Escape colon x. Now your server is ready. Just refresh it. See here. So server 1, this is the server 1, this is the server 1, and this is the server 2. I given 2 content. So anyone, any doubt, guys? Now I done this configuration. This is also done. This is also done. Now come to ELB. Now come to ELB. Now go to our actual concept. Go to here. Go to ELB load balancer and so click on create load balancer. Select so application load balancer. Give name. Okay. DevOps hyphen HTTPD. We can give. Okay, now save it same only. If you want to change everything and all, we can select. So where I created DevOps VPC, correct? Availability zone. and so public and security group with security group. Okay, next this is the same only. See here. So now listeners and routing. So listeners is routing. This is same HTTP and port number is 80. And here we need one target group also. Right now, do we have any target group? No. So if you click on here, it will display drop down. Target means now I created one load balancer. I need target also. So in target, we are going to add these instances. How it will work? See here, create one target also, and so see here to your load balancer routes request to the target in the target group to perform the health check and all. Now there is IP based, Lambda function based application load balancer and all. Select instances. Right now I have only instance, right? Select instances and group name ELB, ELB group, ELB group. Okay, HTTPD. I given name. Same thing only. Okay, and VPC. That's it. I'm not going to change anything. So that's it. Next, click next. Now see here. And availability instances. So I have two instances. How many instances you want to add this group? Only one or two? In real time, we can see many, right? Now anyway, I have only two. I'm going to add two instances. That's it. Now here there is one option, include. So here we need to add this include. See here, and so include pending. This is right now pending only. Available instance, just include. So now click add this. That's it. Now I added these two to here. Now if you see here, here that is done, and click on target group. That's it. I added two instances. My group, I created one group. So for this group, I added two instances. That's it. Now it will take time. See here, total, how many instances we added? Two instances. So healthy, 0, unhealthy, 0, unused. So initial 0, draining also 0. Just wait, it will come to 0, 2. I added, right? So we have to wait some time. It will come to healthy equal to 2. Okay. Now come to this section. Now refresh it. Now just refresh it. Now you can see your group name. Select this group name, and so remaining story don't do anything and all. Just create the load balancer. What happened? At least two subnets must be specified. Here two subnets. Here I have only one available subnets. Okay, I'm selecting so default one, and I'm selecting two. Okay, now this is clear. This is the clear. So now see here it is asking so two subnets, but in our public subnet I have only one zone available. It is expecting at least two. Okay, that's it. Now security group name, which one I created, or else we can select default one also. Okay, no problem. So create. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Create load balancer. What is this? Now here there is some issue. Anyone guess it? What's the problem? Actually, my instance is running. Which one? ఇక్కడ ఎర్రర్ వస్తున్నది. ఎందుకు ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది? ఎనీవన్ గెస్ ఇట్? The following target group different VPC, then load balancer. Now got it? ఏమర్థమైంది రమ్య?
ఇన్స్టెన్స్‌కి డిఫరెంట్ వీపీసీ యూజ్
VPC
చేస్తాం.
ఉంది. లోడ్ బ్యాలెన్సర్ ఎక్కడ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాను? Different
డిఫరెంట్.
VPC లో ఉంది. So now we
యెస్.
need to change that VPC, or else we need to create a new instance also. That's it. That is the only one concept. Now what I need to do, go to here. So this is different. So Mumbai instance, wait, select this instance, action, and is it possible to change instance settings?
ఇక్కడే వన్ మోర్ సబ్‌నెట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు అదే వీపీసీ తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా సార్?
ఇక్కడొచ్చి ఈ VPCలో ఒక సబ్నెట్టే ఉంది.
ఇప్పుడు న్యూగా ఇంకొకటి క్రియేట్ చేసి మామూలుగా దానికి
చూద్దాం
వీపీసీకి
ఎన్నున్నాయి
అటాచ్
ఇక్కడ,
చేస్తాము.
హౌ మెనీ VPC. సో VPC, అండ్ సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద VPC, దిస్ వన్ ఓన్లీ, రైట్? కరెక్టా? ఇక్కడ ఒకే ఒక సబ్నెట్ ఉంది. వీ నీడ్ వన్ మోర్ సబ్నెట్. ఓకే, నౌ గో టు సబ్నెట్. విచ్ వన్? దిస్ ఈజ్ పబ్లిక్ సబ్నెట్. దేంట్లో ఉంది? E07. దిస్ ఈజ్ E07. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? సరే, నౌ గో టు హియర్, create subnet, and which subnet? This one, right? Okay, public subnet 2, I am giving 2. So B లో పెడుతున్నా. ఓకే, what is the IP range? 10 dot, I don't know, C dot 10 dot 1 dot 10 dot 1 dot, sorry, 1 dot 4 dot, I am giving 1. Okay, now create subnet slash 24. ఇప్పుడు ట్రై చేద్దాం. ఓకే, ఇది వచ్చి ఎక్కడ క్రియేట్ అయింది? 1B. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది వచ్చి ఎక్కడ క్రియేట్ అయింది? వేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ క్రియేటెడ్? ఇది 1Aలో క్రియేట్ అయింది. ఇది 1A, కరెక్ట్, రైట్? సో నౌ దిస్ ఈజ్ 1B. నౌ విల్ క్రియేట్ వన్ మోర్. విల్ see how it will work. So click on here. Okay, click on EC2. Now go to load balancer. We can create many load balancer, no problem. Create load balancer. Load balancer. Load balancer name DevApps. Anyway, DevApps HTTPS. Okay, IP VPC. Now coming, right? I selected two. At least they need two, sir. Two. Now what is security group? This one, right? Next, this and all no need. Group name, that's it. Now create load balancer. Okay, now we have to wait some time. So go to load balancer. Okay, provisioning. What is this meaning? Provisioning means already created or not yet created. Provisioning means it is creating, and we can check target group also. Now check here, click on target group and see here, still it is initializing, still not healthy state, not healthy. We have to wait healthy 2 by 2. So now added 2 only. Now, so this is October, still it is health stage initializing only. Initial phase, it will come refresh it. How much time it will take? Based on it will take register targets. Okay, that's it. Already registered. Already we register, right? No problem. Go to here. Go to load balancing. Click on here. Is created or not? Provisioning. We have to wait. It will take some time. Just wait 1 or 2 minutes. So if both are done only, we can check the results. We can check the results. That's it. So same steps already available here. So find the create load balancer. See here, create load balancer, group name, VPC. Next, add all instances target, create group. Next, create load balancer. So I created, and so load balancer selected VPC. And so here we have to select so all three subnets. Here I selected two subnets and existing target group, and whatever you name, just review and create it. Check the load balancer request happening whether to our server. So we have to go to target group and check the target healthy or unhealthy. Wait up to health status. We have to wait up to health status. Otherwise it won't work. Otherwise it won't work. Now target group. So click on target group. Now see here, both are healthy. Both are healthy. Now go to load balancer. Go to load balancer, and this is also active. This is also active. Now, so how to test it? My load balancer is running proper or not? So how to test it? Click on load balancer. Hmm. What you need to copy? What you need to copy? What, Ramya?
DNS
DNS
name
name.
information.
So
Yes.
this DNS name generated by AWS people. I am not doing anything here. This is the A record. We'll see what is A record and all. So route 53 and all we can understand. So for the time being, copy this URL, copy this link, DNS domain name server, and this is generated by AWS people. See here, DevApps HTTPD. What is this name? My load balancer name. This is your one ID, and so which region? Mumbai region, and ELB Amazon.com. This is generated by this one. Now go to here, just paste it. Now see here, my request go to which server? My request go to which server? First time I hit the
Server.
URL, my request go to this server. Again I am going to refresh. So might be request go to same server, or it will go to server 1. See here, now this time my request go to which server? You can also try
Server
it.
one.
You can also try it. So I am giving here, just you can also check your request go to which server. Here my request go to so server 1. So just refresh it. One time it will go to server 1, one time it will go to server 2. So like this, incoming application incoming request distribute to multiple host, multiple VM machines. That's it. So this is the whole concept. This is the whole concept. I hope you got it right. Anyone any doubt? So anyone tried? My request go to which server? మీకు ఏ సర్వర్కి వెళ్తున్నది 1 or 2? If anyone connected mobile or so laptop, just click on that link. That's it. Now tell me request go to which server? Udani. Po. Hello. Anyone hit this link? Try chesara? Clear.
Yes, sir. Server 2.
Server 2. See my request go to server 1. So like this, so load balancer will work. So like this load balancer will work. I hope you got some idea, right? What is load ELB elastic load balancer, how it will work, and how to create group, and how to create a target. Clear? Anyone any doubt here? I created one load balancer, I created one target group. That's it. These are very simple only. So same thing already I updated in the document. If you have any doubt, just refresh, go through this document, just will get some idea. Okay. So next class I will see that continuation. I hope you got it right. What's Sharath? Clear? So load
Sir,
balancer and how to create load balancer and how to create target group. Very important. Just and also we need to note the definition also. Interview also 99% people are asking how many types of load balancer and what is load balancer, and so how it will work. Clear? Okay. Just try to practice continuation. Tomorrow I will continue. So